Hi, this is Ahmed once again. I welcome you to today's episode. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about safety net. What safety net basically does is it asks you anytime you try to exit a program if you are sure you want to exit it. Either yes or no, then you give your response. If yes, it will exit. If no, then it goes back to the program. So we need to embed such tool in our courseware so that anytime the user tries to close it, it won't just close the program straight up, but it will ask if the user really wants to exit the program. So those an illustration of it here. That's how a safety net basically looks like. So that's what you're going to do today. Let's get to work. Alright, so we are going to fix it over here. Let's make a duplicate of this page and change the background since we wouldn't be needing. Okay, no, let's delete this. Then we add a new slide over here. Okay, we take this off and also this goes off. Let's design our background. We format it picture file. Okay, so let's take this from our resources. Alright. Okay, so that's what I'm going to use. Okay, since the offset is too much, so let's reduce it a bit so that it fits perfectly. The bottom also needs to be readjusted. Good. So we have our background set. Now we need to add a rectangular shape, and then we add a little text over there. So those, and we add let's see, a solid fill will do. Yep. Then the transparency goes down. The outline, okay, let's use this for the outline. We can increase the weight a bit. Now we add our text box and we write, are you sure you want to exit? Let's give it a font color of red, bold, shadow. I think we need to increase the font size much bigger. Yeah, okay. We need to center this. Perfect. Now that we can group it with the rectangular shape. We've already learned about how to group here. So we have one object over there. And then we need to create two buttons, the yes and no, which is going to take our response. So we create two buttons using the same rectangular shapes. A solid fill will do one more time. I don't like this color. I think brown would do. Sure. Then we give it a bit of transparency. Alright. That's too much. Okay. Then the outline. What outline we using? Okay, let's still maintain the same color, sure. And we can give it a little of shape effect. As usual, my bevel, I never go away with it. Yeah, I forgot to give it this one to an effect. Okay, so with this done, now I can add a text box. So the first response will be yes. Good. Okay, let's use white color for the font. Then we increase the font size a bit. 48 will do. Would the white be okay? I doubt. let's maintain the white for now. So I think that's cool. Then we group those also. Now we just have to duplicate those and change the yes to no. Perfect. So now we have our safety net. So anytime the user clicks on either close, the user clicks on the close button, he or she will be directed to this page and will respond to those questions. Are you sure you want to exit? Yes. Then off the program goes. If no, then the user will be taken to the previous page. So that's all for today. See you in the next episode. Bye.